Welcome to Med in 5. The goal of our channel is to simplify medical concepts and help you understand them faster than a speedboat. This episode tackles the nucleus, the keeper of the cell's code. Quick warm-up before we start. Which part of the nucleus is responsible for ribosomal RNA production? Which cytoplasmic organelle shares a membrane with the nucleus? Which cell has a nucleus with 3 to 5 lobes? Let's dive in. The nucleus is the part of the cell that stores DNA as chromatin inside the nuclear envelope. It's also the site of many important cell processes. DNA replication, where DNA is copied before cell division, happens here. Transcription is the process by which DNA is made into messenger RNA, the message that carries genetic instructions to make proteins. The nuclear envelope, a double lipid bilayer with inner and outer membranes, surrounds the nucleus. The outer membrane is an extension of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is lined with ribosomes and helps make proteins destined for export from the cell or for use in the cell membrane. The nuclear envelope's main function is to separate and protect the DNA inside from the cytoplasm. The envelope contains nuclear pores, made of protein complexes called nucleoporins. These selective channels allow mRNA to exit the nucleus and proteins to enter when needed. The nuclear lamina is a mesh of lamin proteins beneath the inner nuclear membrane. It provides structural support, maintains nuclear shape, and helps organize chromatin inside the nucleus. Inside the nucleus is the nucleoplasm, a gel-like fluid made of water, ions, enzymes, and nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA and RNA. It serves as the internal medium where key processes like transcription and other DNA-related activities occur. Chromatin is made of DNA wrapped around histone proteins. Loose chromatin is active and may be transcribed into mRNA, while tight chromatin is inactive and cannot be copied into RNA. The nucleolus is a dense, non-membrane-bound region made of ribosomal RNA and proteins. It produces our RNA and assembles ribosomal subunits, which are exported to the cytoplasm where they form functional ribosomes for protein synthesis. Different cell types show variations in their nuclei. These differences reflect their specific functions. Anucleate cells lose their nucleus to optimize specialized functions. Red blood cells lose their nucleus to make room for more hemoglobin molecules, increasing their oxygen-carrying capacity. Their lack of a nucleus also lets them bend through narrow capillaries more easily. Platelets are nucleus-free fragments of large precursor cells in the bone marrow called megakaryocytes. Platelets help with rapid blood clotting to prevent blood loss and seal damaged blood vessels. Keratinized squamous cells, found in the skin surface, shed nuclei to form a tough, waterproof barrier. Lens fiber cells lack nuclei and organelles, maintaining transparency for clear light transmission through the eye. Some cells become multinucleated through cell fusion to meet high functional demands. Skeletal muscle fibers form when muscle precursor cells called myoblasts merge, creating long fibers capable of strong contraction. Osteoclasts are big cells that break down bone during remodeling. They're formed by the union of blood-derived precursor cells called monocytes. The syncytiotrophoblast is a fused outer layer of the placenta that directly contacts maternal blood, allowing efficient nutrient and gas exchange and tissue invasion without cell boundaries. Foreign body giant cells and their close relatives, the Langhans giant cells, form when immune cells called macrophages unite to deal with large or persistent foreign material and chronic infections like tuberculosis. Segmented nuclei help white blood cells move easily through tight spaces. Neutrophils, the body's first responders to infection, have 3 to 5 lobes. Eosinophils, which help fight parasites and allergies, have 2. Basophils, which release histamine during allergic and inflammatory reactions, also have 2. Let's go back to these questions. Which part of the nucleus is responsible for our RNA production? Answer: Nucleolus. Which cytoplasmic organelle shares a membrane with the nucleus? Answer: rough endoplasmic reticulum. Which cell has a nucleus with 3 to 5 lobes? Answer: Neutrophil. All good? Wild. If you learned something from this clip, help us grow by hitting like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tune in to Med in 5 for more handy med hacks.